now invite the President of the Association and Chief Executive Officer of TAG Angola Airlines for his opening remarks.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is with the immense pride and profound joy that I welcome you to Luanda, the vibrant heart of Angola, for the 57th Annual General Assembly. The theme of this assembly, Sustainable Skies, Connected Africa.
These challenges are significant, but they are not overwhelming.
Fellow Africans, you are here, fellow Africans. Let me ask one question. How many airline CEOs are here?
What we're trying to encourage the airlines to do is, I don't want to sound naive, but it's commit now and work backwards.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to AFRAA AGA 57 Gala Dinner 2025.
Et AFRAA également, en nous confiant la responsabilité d'accueillir la prochaine Assemblée Générale en 2026.
É com profundo sentido de responsabilidade que encerro a 57ª Assembleia Geral da AFRAA, realizada em Luanda, num momento determinante para a aviação civil africana e para o posicionamento de Angola no continente e no mundo.